a popular pastime for the tourists here. There's one at the back having a problem starting it. I'm pretty sure that would be me if I had a go at that. In my early days, I'd have a go at anything, you know, but now I'm getting on a bit, so I've got to be a little bit careful what I do. You know, I do like the idea of motocross, actually. I think that's what they call it, yeah. All-terrain or whatever it is, yeah. So I like the idea of it, but, you know, I worry about myself, really. It's I'm knocking on 70, so I don't recover as I used to do. Anyway, we're going to head for Mabprachan Lake. This is a nice scenic route, and at the end of it, we've got a whacking great lake called Lake Mabprachan. There's a lot of sporting activities there, you know, certainly in high season, you get the boating, fishing, that kind of thing. But it's low season now, so I don't think there'll be much going on. But the benefit of going in low season is that it's rainy season, so I'm hoping there will be quite a lot of water in the lake. Because when it's half empty, it looks terrible. It's a lot better when it's got water in it. And you get a lot more birds there as well, you know, a lot of wild birds and so on around the lake as normal. So yeah, looking forward to it. So we're going to take a picturesque route. This area, again, it's all agriculture. You can see the plantations, if you like, to the left. We're going down the hedgerow, left and right. So it's quite a nice surrounding, really. And it's good for a ride out up here. I enjoy it. You just got to watch out for things, the obstructions in the road, like the street dogs and, you know, the odd cow here and there. Chickens, that kind of thing. Because they're all pretty much freehold, you know. So there'll be animals wandering around. So you've got to take it a little bit careful. And if you're unlucky, you could come across a pack of street dogs, and they like to accompany you along the way, you know. Yeah, it's not a nice experience to be chased by a pack of dogs, believe me. And I don't know if you're aware of it, in Thailand, there is sometimes an issue with rabies, so it's not just a bite. You know, it could be life-threatening, so you must be very, very careful. Yeah. Anyway, here we go. We're going into a built-up area now. There's some nice houses around here. This is where the kind of rich Thai people live, and you know, the foreigners that come to live here, they come and buy a good quality property in these beautiful areas. So yeah, it's a nice place, and it's always well looked after as well, you know. So that's what it's mainly for. When we get nearer the lake, there are more properties, there are more restaurants and more bars. And I don't often come up here, certainly not at night, but apparently there's quite a good nightlife here as well. So this is Horseshoe Point. That's a famous landmark of this area. Everybody goes by Horseshoe Point. Example, turn right at Horseshoe Point. We use pubs in the UK, but there you go. Okay, let's get going. We're going to go down to the bottom of this road, and then I think we hang a left. And I'm actually going to try and pull in for a drink somewhere along the way, so let's see if we're in time. I don't think that many places will be open. It's only early still. But let's see. I'm not sure what time they open on Sundays. I mean, it's a Buddhist country, so there's no sort of Sunday hours. I think they open when they want, but a lot of these establishments, certainly the bars and bar restaurants, if you like, they don't close until like 2 AM. So, you know, I guess they open again when they wake up. It's a long, long day. Quite hot today as well, although there is quite a nice breeze blowing up front, which makes it bearable. The forecast this afternoon to be very, very hot indeed. And they say that it's going to be around 32, 33, but it's going to feel like 54 with the humidity. And apparently it's a very thin ozone, whatever that means. So yeah, need to be careful going out in the sunshine this afternoon. That's why I prefer to ride in the morning every time. You know, at least the temperature is livable. Okay, so we're coming into Siam Country Club, which is the golf course that I mentioned before. This is a tradesman's entrance, if you like. Picture of the king. And we got a wat or a temple on the left hand side there. I'll be busy today. Wherever you go in Thailand, there are pictures of the much revered king and queen. You see them on the lamppost here on the left hand side, and all the archways, they've got the pictures there. You can see on the right hand side now we've got Lake Mabprachan, and there is a lot of water in it. Now, I don't know if we can get any nearer than this. You used to be able to do, but they keep changing things, so let's see if we can get a little bit nearer. Would be nice to have a look. Anyway, in the meantime, just enjoy the nice scenery. I'm going to stop at a place called Pat's Bar, if I haven't already gone past it. And I just want a coffee, toilet break, you know, that kind of thing. This road's quite a lot more busy. Right, okay, we've got a few bars coming up on the left hand side here. My Bar, that's a novel name, isn't it? Waterside Bar, Sergio's, Massage Shop, Chillin' Bar. I mean, all these bars that we're looking at here are girly bars as well, so you know, they've got the full menu available. So I'm told, as I say, I don't frequent these places, but I'm told that's the case. Right, it's around here that you can get down by the lake, or you used to be able to do, so I'm just going to pull in and have a look, have a reconnoitre, see if there's any way that we can get a bit nearer. Okay, it's fucking steep, isn't it? Okay, the bike coming out, so I'm pretty sure that we can go in. My water cooling system just kicked in now. Must be fairly heavy, man. Okay, this looks a nice road. Let's have a run down. It's all marked out and got the blue for the bike, so we'll stay in that one. Don't want to upset anybody. Okay, so we've got the Lake Mabprachan coming up. We get a bit of woodland or forest land on the right hand side there. It looks like the road's closed. Oh, wonderful. There's some bollards here anyway. I'm not sure what's going on, if we can get through or not. Maybe they're just to slow people down, I guess. Yeah, there's some bikes down there, so it must be okay. Anyway, we'll take it easy just in case. Okay, magnificent, eh? Lots of water in there as well. It's a good long straight road, this one. That's what I like. Fantastic. Let's speed up a little bit, cool the bike down. It was overheating just back there. Wow, this is pretty cool. See, again, you got the mountains in the foreground there. You've got the woods to the left. You've got the woods to the right. They're coming up front right, should I say. And there ain't many people around, which is always a good thing. Got a few cyclists, maybe. Cyclists coming up now. Wow, I got the whole place to myself today. Somebody got a puncture, I think. Okay, okay. Oh, this is great. Get some fresh air. A couple of walkers. Can't be a lot of fun walking in this temperature, but hey, whatever ticks your clock. Some people enjoy it. Okay, we'll go right to the end and turn around. I might stop at this little pier on the way back and get a photograph. It's become a little bit overcast all of a sudden. The clouds are just come in front of the sun. That'll kill things down a bit. Okay, we got to the right. We got a barge there. They must be cleaning up the sediment off the bottom. Okay, this looks like the end of the pretty stretch. Some more bollards. Okay, we'll go through and turn around. Probably the best option. Keep left here, that's my intention. Okay, we can turn around here and then we can go back. But as said, I want to stop, I think, and get a photograph. Okay, we'll just do a turn around. Righty-ho, off we go. Like a fish out of water, eh? Okay, let's get back through this barrier. Take it slowly. No, oh, no cars and no bikes. That's interesting. Well, I asked a guy a bit earlier on and he said it was okay to come down, so Lord knows. I think maybe it's only for bicycles, not motorbikes. Okay, I'm going to pull in here and see if I can just get there and take a picture.